Hi guys, welcome back to Julian's Garden. I hope you all doing well and enjoy the sunshine. If you are in the area that I live in Canberra, Australia, we got beautiful weather. And because we've been in lockdown for several weeks, so I pretty very busy in the garden, but as usual. But I want to show you how my lemongrass are doing, and I want to show you how I harvest the lemongrass stalks stem as well, because I want to get some to cook with. And we got very wet and cold winters. The temperature went down to -5, -6 degrees Celsius, all frozen, all wet and cold. We got so much rain lately as well. And so let's go to look at them. Here they are. You look at that, looking very sad on the tops and dry and shivering. But let's look at the down underneath it. See, that's all green and choppy stalk as well. And I'm so thrilled about that. We got so much wet and rain in the winter. And so the key, if you want to succeed with lemongrass in very cold and wet winters, as you have to put your lemongrass in raised garden beds. Otherwise, just the combination with cold and wet definitely kill it. And look at that, and they come over here. Oh, by the way, this is my frog clubs and some other seasoning and some lemongrass over here as well. Look at that, it looks so sad on the top, but down there you can see still green. So I'm just real thrilled about that as well. And this big bush too, you can see that all green underneath it. And I'm going to show you how I harvest them. So typically, I just choose the stalks that they are big and choppy, and I twist it like harvesting rhubarb. You can see this very big and choppy stick, and I just put it down like that and twist. Here we go. I think I want to get some more than this though. One, and that one here. This one looks very choppy as well. Two. I want to get another one. And this one very big and choppy too. Three. Okay, and I'm gonna take off all the excess leaves because we don't need the very choppy and chewy leaves. We just want the nice tender inside. So normally I take all the excess. A little bit awkward because one hand holding my phone, the other hand holding try to take off the leaves of the lemongrass. And they got so many little baby as well. So down here lies it. And I continue to do the other one as well. Maybe you don't need to see me doing this, but I want to tell you something. Just a second, let me finish this one. But you can see underneath it, they got some of the root as well. So if you just cut down here, and then you put this one back into the soil, into your potting mix, then they're gonna go into the new plant as well underneath it. Just cut on the around that high, and then you put it at the bottom of the root here, back into the potting mix, and they're gonna go into the new plants. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's very quick and for the video, but I just wanted to give you very quick updates. And of course, definitely you can grow lemongrass in Canberra, Australia, or in zone 9A. And I hope you all doing well and stay safe. And see you in next video.
I want to be in the end.
And my daughter, she said she wants to be in the video. Only say hello. And thank you and bye-bye.